eyes on you from afar. I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you are new, and today I am so excited because this is my favorite decorate with me of the entire year. I am a summer girl all the way, and all of the cheerful yellows, blues, whites, and golds that I'm going to be using in today's color scheme bring me so much happiness and joy. I love the color yellow. I think it just brings a lot of happiness to a home. So I'm just wanting to show you a little bit of the decor that I'm going to be using in today's video. I am going to be spending a little bit of time in my kitchen today, sharing with you lots of cleaning motivation. And check out that pineapple. I got that at Bath & Body Works this year. It is my favorite thing I've ever bought for summertime. I love that. But anyway, I'm also going to be sharing with you some DIY decor that you are going to love. You can use it in your decor this year. You can store it away and use it every single year if you want to, but you will not want to miss 1 minute of today's video. So I'm just starting off at my kitchen table, and I just wanted to wipe it down with the Lysol spray and the lemon scent. And I love to match my cleaning scents to whatever season that we're in. And so I think I'm kind of a nerd on this issue, guys. So if you also like to match your scents to the season that you're in, please comment below so I know that I'm not just the only nerd on this channel, okay? Surely there's more than one, but anyway, I'm just layering on these jute placemats and the Walmart plates. Yes, these are Walmart plates. They're Pioneer Woman. So pretty. And then I found those bowls at Hobby Lobby. I thought this looked really pretty, just as a simple little tablescape. But for my centerpiece, I have this glass pitcher, and I just filled the pitcher up with real lemons and some water. Then added in the plant food that comes with the flowers when you buy them at the grocery store. And just a little tip, if you are brand new to flower arranging, which I'm definitely not a pro, okay? But I think baby's breath is one of the easiest things to arrange. It lasts forever, and it's just really easy to arrange. So it's only $5 to $7, for a whole bundle. Highly recommend that. But I added in those hydrangeas, and this arrangement is so beautiful. So I'm just adding in some more decor on this Lazy Susan. I will give you a much better look of this in just a little bit, but I wanted to share this hammer. I know I just gave you a small glimpse of it, but this was a Father's Day gift for my husband last year. I had my boys each paint him a hammer. So it's just a plain wooden hammer, and you just have your kids paint it, then you can spray it with a clear spray paint to seal. It makes the best Father's Day gift. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Anyway, I hung those two plates that you can still see to the side. Those belonged to my great aunt Lil, so that's very special to me. My mom just gave those to me recently. But anyway, I'm just giving my cabinets a quick wipe down before I go ahead and start decorating this area. But I wanted to ask, how is everybody's summer going? I know summertime can be really busy for some people. So if you have any vacations coming up, I would love to know and hear from my world travelers that are on my channel. Where are you guys going this summertime? And it is time for me to add in my favorite pineapple. It is so cute. I love this thing. And then I'm gonna put this Easter candy basket scented candle from Bath & Body Works on top. Please let me know if you guys have smelled this candle. I loved it so much. I wish it wasn't a seasonal candle. But anyway, I just turned it around so it looked like a white candle and it didn't look, you know, kind of Eastery. And then I always like to switch out my towels for every season. So after that, I'm just changing up my hand soaps, adding on a candle, and this area looks so tropical and fun and happy for the summertime. Next, I am just going to switch up this wreath. If you've been at my channel for a while, you know this wreath stays up in my house all year long, and all I do is just pop in a few things to switch it up for the seasons. I got those lemon picks at Hobby Lobby. I thought they looked so cheerful and beautiful. Next up, I'm going to be doing a DIY lemon cake. I just did a Dollar Tree box. You're just going to get some spackle and a little bit of Dollar Tree paint. Mix it up with your disposable spoon. And I did mine a little bit too dark, so I'm just lightening it up with some white paint so it's more of a pastel. This is a really easy DIY. I shared this on my Valentine's Day Clean and Decorate with me this year, and you guys just loved these, so I had to do a lemon one for the summertime. I've always wanted to do a bright, sunny lemon cake anyway, so this was a lot of fun for me. But I'm using a spatula to smooth out my, faux icing. It looks really realistic this way. And once I get all of that done, I'm going to show you guys how I use a cake decorating bag. You just put your spackle into the bag and then you can go around the edges. I'm using a star tip, and this really helps to cover up those edges that just have a really hard time getting covered with your spackle. And it looks so realistic. I got these lemon slices on Amazon and they are so beautiful. I think they really make this cake just look amazing. So all you have to do is just put it into some of that faux icing. Then I ended up putting some icing in the center, and I used a whole bunch of these Dollar Tree flowers and just kind of added it in as if it was a real cake. Sometimes, they have the flowers at the top. And the secret is to cover it with glitter. So this is so pretty. I know you guys are going to love this DIY. For our next DIY, I'm using these baking cups I got at Home Goods and some Dollar Tree sponges. These sponges came 7 in a pack for $1.25. Very affordable. I just put them right inside of the baking cups. Then I'm using my spackle and I'm just going around with my star tip to make it look like a realistic cupcake. I started out just putting the lemon slice on the top, but I decided it needed a little bit of icing. So I just watered down some white paint, added some sprinkles, and this looks absolutely adorable. Don't forget to sprinkle your glitter. That's going to make it look like a Home Goods item. It looks so professional and beautiful. Then I got these straws at Walmart, so you just press them right in, and it really makes a big difference. These are so adorable. The last DIY is a mug topper. I have shared this on my channel several times, but I had to do it for summertime, guys. I just had to. So I am just doing the same process. I'm building up my spackle with the star tip, but I decided I needed a little lemonade drizzle over this coffee mug topper. I added my lemon and my sprinkles, and in a little while, I'm going to show you what else I added to this to take it up another level. These DIYs are so cute. They're going to make your decor adorable this year.
Feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the
So you guys know one of my favorite places to change things up every season is the coffee bar. I did try to talk my husband into drinking lemonade for the month of June, but he was not into it, y'all. So this is just what I have to work with. I'm going to make this coffee area a lemon theme. I think it's going to be really, really cute. So I am using some sticky tape to get this onto the wall, and I love that little sign. I found it at a thrift store for like $40. I went home and I found it for $10 on Amazon. So I'm gonna link that little sign for you guys if you love it as much as I do. Then I am making a little candy jar, but honestly, we're not going to be eating any of that candy. It's just gonna be for decor. I'm adding in my little coffee cups from Home Goods, and this is just such a simple way to set the tone for the season. I absolutely love this area. It turned out so beautiful. What are you guys doing for your coffee bar? Do you switch it up seasonally? Let me know in the comments below. But now I am restringing my lemons on this ribbon, and the reason I'm doing this is because I wanted it to have a little bit more space to stretch out across the top of my coffee bar. And ta-da, there is my coffee mug topper. I added a beautiful little lemon flower. I just picked that off of some of those little picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. This area is just so fun. It is one of my favorite areas in my kitchen. So I am so happy with how this turned out. Oh my goodness, y'all. It was so humid on this day. My hair is looking frazzled like Topanga from Boy Meets World. So sorry about that. But anyway, I am just enjoying myself styling this beautiful hutch. I bought this hutch on Facebook Marketplace for literally $75. We painted it. We replaced the glass with that, what is it? It's like a acrylic sheet. Somebody in the comments is going to know what that is. From Lowe's. Anyway, I am just styling this a little bit different for summer. I'm adding in the lemons. I think it turned out really beautiful, but I have a question. What do y'all think about this basket of flowers? Should I leave it or should it go? Let me know in the comments. I am also going to be styling this little shelf on the opposite wall. This is one of my favorite little shelves. My dad got this all assembled for me. We painted it white, added a few little details, and it's just one of my favorite little areas. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch the footage of me decorating. Now, these curtains are long overdue. I needed to wash them, and so I'm going to go ahead and take them all down and get them in the washer so they can, get all the stains out and everything. They're right here by these plants. So when I water the plants, sometimes the water drips on them and it's just not good. So I'm going to wash these, and then I'm going back in to wash my windows. I don't do this as often as I should. And to be honest, I should really do the other side as well, because that's the side that looks pretty smudged. But, I'm just trying to do the best I can. And I've been following this principle lately, that you clean one room at a time in your house. So that way you don't get sidetracked with other tasks. And I also had to share with you guys my sweet baby Maple. I know you guys have probably missed seeing her. She is just daydreaming out this window. I always wonder what is she thinking about, but I think it has to do with maybe hunting down some birds. What do you guys think? Comment below, what is Maple thinking about while she's dreaming out those windows? But anyway, I am styling this area, and I've had a lot of hard times making decisions of how to decorate this little lower cabinet area in my kitchen. But my little helper is here. She's going to help me, I'm sure. So please give this video a like for Miss Maple if you enjoy seeing her in these videos. But I finally just settled on a simple stack of books, some cozy candles, and of course my candle is battery powered. I'm starting to really love the battery powered candles. They're just safe, they're so convenient. You can put them on a timer. So I'm really loving those. I'm just putting in some plates in my little basket, and to me this just looks very cottage. What do you guys think? I really like how it turned out.
The sun and the moon, I just want you to know I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth?
And now, with the power of YouTube magic, my curtains have been washed and dried. So I'm using these little rings to put my curtains up. They actually have those little, what are those called? Gourmet rings? I don't even have a clue how to say that. Anyway, I fold over the top that has the little holes for the curtain rods so you don't see that part. And then I use those clips, and this really elevates the look and makes it look much more expensive than these curtains really are. So they're also blackout curtains, which is so important because though we have a lot of natural light, it lets in the cold and the heat, and these blackout curtains really, really help to, you know, regulate the temperature and not blind us in the early morning. So I really love these curtains. I can't remember where I got them. If I can figure it out, I will put that in the description box for you guys.
Tell me the truth. I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know.
Next, I'm using my Hoover carpet cleaner, and I'm just going over my rug. And I'm also going to give the rug underneath my table a good clean as well. I love to clean with this thing. You got, oh, that was my cat. If you heard that crash, she's with me right now. Anyway, look at all that. Oh my goodness. I'm always just amazed at how much comes out of my carpets. Now I'm going in with, of course, the Lemon Fabuloso. And that is just part of my nerdiness. I have to have the smell match the season. I told you guys that. Don't forget, if you're the same, please comment and let me know below so we can all support each other with our troubles and OCD. Anyway, so I am just cleaning my floors, and this is so satisfying. This makes me feel so good, like the whole house is fresh and clean and smelling like a lemon. And that is it, guys. I'm so thankful that you guys came to hang out with me today. I hope you got a lot of cleaning and decorating motivation for your summertime decor. And I am going to be hopefully posting next week another summertime clean and decorate with me video. I'm doing my living room and my porch. So please subscribe for that and hit your notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.